Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I like to talk about the ideal gas law, which is a reference to how a gas should ideally behave, and has an exact mathematical statement that predicts this. In particular, the statement is written as P times V, or pressure times volume, equals number of moles times Boltzmann constant times absolute temperature, where absolute temperature means Kelvin specifically, and not Fahrenheit or Celsius. The relationship between volume and temperature should make sense right away, from what was discussed in the last video, but the pressure factor involves a little more careful reasoning in order to explain why it is expressed like that. And we know that when something gets hotter, the particles that make it up move faster. So this means for a gas, the particles that make it up exert more pressure because they're exerting it a greater number of times overall than if they were moving slower. And the other part of the right-hand side of the equation, the number of moles times the constant K, simply measures how much particles of the gas there are. But we must pay attention to the fact that this is not how a gas behaves all the time, and this is only how a gas should theoretically behave, because of the fact that with different temperatures, the gas will change phase from gas to liquid, which is what we will discuss in more detail in the next tutorial video. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.